Welcome to the first episode of Hidden but Handy. In our channel, we would like to show you how to improve your living situation with solution and cost-effective ways.
My name is Reno. Just like the city, I am a professional interior designer with over 25 years of international design experience. I have the privilege to work on many remarkable projects, including these. From luxury 5-star hotels to private island resorts and casinos, to the world's top 25 tallest skyscrapers, from houses in the Hamptons to several of the world's most exclusive private addresses, including the Trump Tower in New York City during my time with my mentor Sam Botero.
Came back with full of surprises. Aren't you happy?
Very happy.
He is Jonny, my client, for this 480 square feet pigeonhole apartment project.
It's not done yet.
It's not finished.
It's not finished yet.
He has no idea how I will design his pigeonhole apartment. Welcome to Hidden but Handy, a place to share decorating tips for rental apartments.
Get in. It's so messy.
Design is not about price, but started with loading drama.
So we were able to renegotiate the price down to from a couple of $1,000 to moving up all the pieces up here to this door from a couple of $1,000 down to just.
Stay tuned to see how we transform a simple rental apartment with limited budget.
Design with unexpected surprises.
This year for Christmas I want design with full love.
Jonny has no idea what kind of things I would be getting for him.
We're opening up more boxes, like feels like Christmas. Come on.
Could just be coffee.
Feels like Christmas. Feels like Christmas.
But without the wrappings.
Unboxing. Here is another.
Another chair.
That is right, we got 2 different types of dining chairs.
A simple home becomes more stylish when you mix and match, especially with a variety of dining chairs.
They are so different, but when you pair them together, and it has like different character. In different countries, and some of them are custom made to size. So that's it. We'll see how it goes.
You just earned a black belt for box lifting.
Pieces are puzzles, and this one is our dining table. The tiny table is about 900 in diameter. It's quite suitable for this kind of spaces because it's round, so we keep that rhythm of the space instead of something really boxy. And often I see clients or friends that they purchase dining tables with the purpose to try to enlarge the table surfaces. But somehow, when I see round corners, we'll see that in a minute. When you see round corners, it gives that really beautiful flow around everything.
The day 2 unboxing marathon continues. We were racing against time because in 2 days, 32 more boxes will storm in the living room for the main cabinet's installation. The living room needs the space, basically auditioning for a role as a warehouse.
We just arrived. We just dump all this wood crates at the dumpster to collect the trash collector. Well done, Johnny.
Oversized mirror can make the room look bigger. Just remember, it reflects what's on the other side, so make sure that view is as fabulous as you are. I truly value your comments, so please feel free to share your thoughts below. And of course, make sure to give a like to this channel, share it with your friends, and subscribe to your notification. Thank you once more for tuning in. Let's create a beautiful world together. See you next time.
I hope you guys enjoy it. See you next time.